I don't even know. Ignore me. Whatever I just said, pretend like I didn't say it. Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a work day ahead. I mean, every single Monday through Friday is a work day, and honestly sometimes Saturday and Sunday, but today I'm shooting a sponsorship, and I feel like whenever I have that going on, I'm like, it's a work day. I don't know why. It's just like in my brain that it is. So this morning is actually a little bit earlier than I normally do. I typically go to workout classes, but my, I guess, trainer who like does them is out for the week. So I went to my gym in my apartment, and I was able to get like kind of an earlier start for the day. So yeah, I don't know what I'm saying there. And right now I'm just editing a video. I think I'm gonna do that, and then I have some to-do list stuff to do, and then I think I will shoot that sponsorship. But it's a busy work day. Also, my skin has been breaking out so much. I feel like I look like a white chocolate crunch bar with all the bumps under my skin. I know that I shouldn't, but I've been wearing makeup because it's been making me really insecure. My skin has not been bad since I was on Accutane. I was on Accutane like in 2021? End of 2020, beginning of 2021. Let me show you this photo that I took of my skin this morning. It's just been getting worse and worse and worse and worse. Like every single day it's like doubling how bad it is. Look at it. It's a bunch of just like little, ugh. So honestly, it's been making me really insecure, and I don't want to feel this way. So I have a dermatologist appointment next Friday. I wish it could be sooner, but I don't know what caused it. So I haven't been adding anything to my routine, like my skincare routine, what I've been eating, like laundry detergent, like nothing has really changed. So I don't know what's going on. Hopefully when I go to the dermatologist, I will find out. I'm trying to manifest clear skin, but that has just been something that's been on my mind. And I know I shouldn't be thinking about it, but it is. So if you're struggling with your skin, me too. It's hard because like my skin was so bad for so long in my life, and then it got good because of Accutane. I hope that this is just like a little fluke and it like gets back to being clear, but we'll see. But right now I am editing a video. I think this video is gonna go up the same week that I film it. Does anyone else have like one piece of curly hair? And I know that it could be from probably like me putting my hair behind my ears, but I don't know. Really random. I'm gonna edit my video, but I think that I need to plug my laptop in because she's dying. We're taking an editing break because my video just went live. So I always do I call it promo. And basically what that means is I post that on my Instagram story, and then I respond to all of your guys' comments. So I'll show you guys how I do this. I find it so funny. It's actually, well, funny may not be the right word. I pay for iCloud, and this is really nice because I can just save my thumbnail. This is currently on my desktop. Like this is my desktop on my laptop. Does that make any sense? Anyways, I save the thumbnail, go to Instagram, and then I just take like a random story of anything. Bam. White it out. No? Add in the thumbnail, make it bigger. And then we're gonna go to the Studio app, which is like YouTube Analytics. And then we're just gonna copy the link to the video. Wait, did it go live? Let's just make sure it went live. Because sometimes, yeah, no it did. Oh, I got some comments from you guys. Okay, saving back to Instagram. I know this is like kind of stupid, but like this is like in every, well, 3 days a week. Link is copied, have the title. Oh, we're gonna make it pink, how cute. And then add the link. If anyone's ever curious about how I do it, not rocket science, not anything special, but it is what I do. Pasting the link. Or typically I say new video, but this time I said watch video, whatever. If you ever see something like this on my story, just know that is how I do it. Sometimes like the random photos that I take that I white out are so funny. Like they're photos of me being like, or like they're unintentional, like just like random photos that I take that like just have like the silliest face or something. So sometimes I'm always like, should I post this? But then I'm like, would people understand what I'm talking about? Anyways, I'm going to respond to your guys' comments. My favorite part of making videos is responding to your comments. Do you guys hear this? I hope you can hear this. What is this? It is just like a giant vibrating shaking sound. just edited my video. I know that means I should now start working on shooting my sponsorship. I just am afraid that it's not gonna look as good as I envision it in my head because I'm taking this photo alone, like with the tripod, and those photos just never turn out as good as I hope they would. So we'll see. I kind of was editing this video just to procrastinate doing that. Not that I don't want to do it, it's just that I'm afraid of failure. I saw this thing that was saying that like procrastination, oh wait, what was it? It was something like procrastination is like a fear. I don't think I'm like remembering it correctly, but it was something like you procrastinate because you're scared of something. Like it could be like failure, or like you're too scared to, I don't even know. Ignore me. Whatever I just said, pretend like I didn't say it. I wanted to show you guys some more stuff that I bought. I feel like every single vlog is just me buying something, and I swear I'm not trying to like over consumption. I'm just trying to decorate my apartment and stop pushing off. I bought a rug last night. You guys will see it. It comes at the end of this week, so probably next week you guys will see it. If not, follow me on Instagram and TikTok because that's where I kind of do like sneak peeks of things. But I haven't shown you guys a sneak peek of this because I wanted to wait for the vlog. Who knows, maybe I'll accidentally do a sneak peek of it. But I got some more coffee table books and I love the way this looks. These would not normally be there. My friend Sky is letting me borrow Verity. I really am so excited to start reading it. I haven't read it yet, but I'm going to, and I'm so excited. But I got 2 more coffee table books. I actually got 3, but 2 are on here. So I'll link this one down below. This one I already had. This one is so cool. It is all of the paintings that are in the Vatican, and I went to the Vatican this summer. I always say this, but I'm trying to just like incorporate little things in me, like places that I've traveled. Look at my hair in this angle. Why does it look like... It's kind of funny. Anyways, it's really cool. It's a thick book. Like, she's thick. It doesn't even look that thick, but I love this and I think it goes really well with the decor. And then over here, I have this book. This is Down to Earth. I just wanted something that kind of had like a little bit more color because these are very neutral. And then I got one more book and I put it over here. I might move this. I don't know if I love this, but it's called This Is Home. I like this. I'm kind of considering switching this with this. I changed this up a little bit. I really like this, but I don't know if I like these together, but I like it alone with the coffee table book. This is what the Vatican book came in. Like, it was very well packaged, but I think I'm gonna move this because I don't love that. Oh, and one more thing. One more, I swear. I kind of decorated this a little bit. My TV needs to be pushed back, but it's honestly really hard to push back. Like, I'm just like not that strong, so I don't do that often. But I added this over here. This book, this was on the shelves. I really like this. And then over here, this was in my bedroom. I think it looks really cute here. And then I'm definitely going to get a new lamp. I did a TikTok and I was asking guys, should I switch the lamp with this plant? And most people said to keep the plant here. I just think the plant looks too crowded by the TV. So I put that greenery there, and I think that kind of adds some oomph to it that I needed. But I will get a new lamp that's not as like college dorm-esque. Yeah, I mean, I just spent a couple $100s on a rug last night. I think it's from like either Rugs USA or Ruggable, and they were having a sale. So love a sale. I'm excited for you guys to see the rug. I'm excited to get a rug. I did something. Edit the video. Bam. I've been so into coloring in the circles. This is even mine from last week. I just think it's so fun to scribble them in instead of check it off. It's like my new hyperfixation. Ah. I hope that you guys find this as cute as I do. Like the little like pause and then like I just find that adorable. I don't know why. I think it's so cute. I look forward to it every time. Okay, let's fulfill some orders. I'm back from the post office, just dropped off those to-do list orders. Now, like I said, I have to shoot that sponsorship, and I'm kind of nervous that like I'm not going to be able to get my vision alone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on Pinterest and kind of like search like inspiration photos that will kind of help me know how to angle the camera on the tripod. I also am going to go through the brief. So with sponsorships, they give you like a creative brief. So they give you like talking points, things that they want shown in the photo, you know, just a general guideline. And I really like to like study those and like research them just to make sure I'm not doing anything wrong, because better for me, it's better for the brand. Don't have to reshoot it, and I'd rather just prepare more now than have to go back and do it. So I'm about to do that. Before we take any photos in my bathroom, we need to clean it up because it's a mess. I changed into this outfit. They wanted me to add like a pop-up blue in the photo. I think I'm gonna take these down. I'll just drop them on the floor, I guess. Out of sight, out of mind, out of frame. So they wanted me to add some blue because their colors are blue and red. And then this is what I have here. This is the tripod, and then I have this little phone adapter. I'll link this down below. These are the products we're highlighting. I did just take a couple of photos kind of like that. I don't know if that's the vibe or not. I made a TikTok. So yeah, I have those. I'm making like a couple of options. The lighting in here is just kind of yellow. I don't know. Definitely overthinking it. And like one thing that I want to get better at is like self-photography and like using the tripod, because that's something I'm not super comfortable with. I just don't have a ton of experience with it. My bathroom is so freaking hot. Phone on tripod. But I can't even see if I can see myself in it. Where do I need to stand? See, this is hard. What if I do it this way? I don't know what I'm doing. I am back to drinking out of this water bottle. Look at it, compare the size of my head. Like, I feel like you truly cannot see how big this is. My Hydro Flask that I normally use is in my dishwasher. I haven't ran my dishwasher yet. And because of my skin, I'm sorry I keep talking about it, but like when I was taking the photos for CVS and editing them, all I could see was my skin, just like with all the, sorry. It's an insecurity that I had moved on from, and now we're back. I just feel like I'm in like high school again. I don't know. So I'm hoping that drinking a lot of water will like kind of flush my system a little bit. I don't really know. But I'm wearing makeup today and I feel pretty, so it's fine. It's fine, we're fine. I just sent in the photos and yeah. I also made lunch. I made shrimp and broccoli. Not that exciting. And then I ate some frozen grapes as like a dessert, even though it's not really a dessert. I just wanted something like cold. Next stop on my journey to clearing my skin, hopefully, we're gonna clean my makeup brushes. I changed back into, ignore that. I changed back into this black dress because I thought wearing white pants was dangerous with cleaning makeup brushes. All done. Next up, we're gonna wash my sheets. I honestly don't think my sheets are the source of the problem because I clean them so often, but I'm gonna try again. And typically I use like little scent things to make them smell better, just like everything that I wash. So I'm gonna wash both sets of my sheets without the little scent beads. I don't think the scent beads are the problem, but we're just trying to rule out every possible solution. Okay, it's been like a couple of hours. I'm heading over to my friend's house. We're gonna go watch The Bachelorette. Honestly, I have not seen one single episode of The Bachelorette this entire season. I've only seen recaps on TikTok, but I'm really excited. I don't think I'll bring you guys along, but yeah, I've just been working a little bit, getting some kind of like computer stuff that's not as exciting out of the way, but this is what I changed into. I wanted to show you guys what I'm bringing though to her apartment, what we're gonna do while we watch The Bachelorette. We got these little coaster molds. I'll link everything down below, but they're just like rectangular molds, and then these little tiles. It's not nearly as I thought was gonna come in this pack. And then I should really wash this off. I made the lobster ravioli from Trader Joe's, and honestly I wouldn't recommend it. Honestly, all the raviolis in my opinion like explode, or like all the filling comes out of them when they're boiling in water, so I wouldn't recommend. Then we got this grout. I'm honestly just like not really sure how we're gonna do this, but we'll figure it out. So we're gonna make coasters. I might get some like montage footage of that. Out to head over to watch The Bachelorette. Hello everyone, it is me again. I'm actually in that same blue shirt because they did not approve the sponsorship, so I had to reshoot it today. It's okay, I don't mind. Anyways, I thought that it'd be fun to end this video off with a little giveaway for watching the rest of this video. I think that I want to start doing like random giveaways throughout my videos for people who watch it all the way to the end. So we have a little giveaway for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys the prizes first, and then I will tell you the rules. First of all, we have this little eyeshadow palette. This is from Rimmel London. It's the Magnifies Jewel Rockstar edition. So it's just like a bunch of really colorful eyeshadows. This is in the Jewel Rocks edition. No, I definitely already said that. I feel like these tones are super trendy right now. Like, I don't know if you've seen like all those like blown out kind of colorful blue eyeshadow looks. So these are super trendy. Also have, this is Love Tint by Benetton. I really like this. You guys have seen me use this. Obviously not this exact one, but it's just like a little lip and cheek tint, and I like to put it on my lip just to give them some color. It won't like rub off when I'm eating or anything, and this is also like really great for your cheeks. So there's that. I also have this. This is from Lori. Oh, I opened this by accident, so I'm not going to be giving this away. It's from Laura Mercier. I opened it. 1 second, let me find something to replace it. Okay, replacement giveaway item found. Sorry about that. I don't want to give you guys obviously anything that I've used. That would be gross. This is from Pop Beauty. It's the Fizz Jelly Cleanser. Really cute packaging. This, I am so tempted to keep this for myself because I think it is so cute, but I will give it to you guys. Look at these shades as if, yeah, look at this. So this is from Pop Beauty. It's the Light Show palette in Fire Fit. These are just stunning. No, I will give this to you guys, but I am contemplating keeping it for myself. I'm also giving you guys the Benefit, words are hard. This is the Butterfly. This is a little, it's sealed shut, so I don't want to open it because like you guys will be using this, but this is a blush. I loved these boxed blushes from Benefit. I'm wearing one right now. I just think they give such like good color. They're so pigmented, they last all day, and they smell really good too. Another thing from Benefit, this is Hoola Toasted, and then it also has like a little brush in it, but I'm not going to open it all the way so it won't get like contaminated. This is just like a little bit darker version of Hoola. Really great for like contouring, bronzing. If you have darker skin tones, even if you have lighter skin tones like me, you can just like put it in like the very hollows of your cheeks. I also have the Gimme Brow Volumizing Brow Pencil from Benefit. This is in shade 3, Warm Light Brown. I'm sorry if some of these like aren't your guys' shades. Maybe you can like give them to your friend or a parent or something like that. But if this is your shade, I really like these brow pencils. I think they're double-sided. It's like one is like a spoolie and the other side is a pencil. And then this is from Laura Mercier. It's the Hydrating Lip Balm. These are really good. I feel like, you know, winter's coming up. It's almost fall. I mean, basically, is it fall? It does not feel like fall outside personally. It is really hot outside, but really great when it starts getting cooler. My lips get really dry. And then the last thing I'm going to give you guys is a to-do list. These are one of the ones that did not go through quality control. So this is the daily to-do list. There's nothing wrong with it other than the fact that you can see like there's a little bit of like inconsistencies within the ink, so that's really the only issue with it. I will plastic wrap it to make sure that it like gets safely delivered to you guys. But that is the giveaway items. I hope you guys like them. So how to enter: first of all, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're not already. Subscribe, we'd love to have you here. And then this is going to be an Instagram giveaway. I know that there are some people that don't have Instagram who get really upset with me when I do Instagram giveaways. There's really no other way that I know how to contact you guys and like get your guys' like personal home addresses privately, unless it's on Instagram. Like on TikTok, you can't really do it. On YouTube, there's really no like proper messaging system, and I don't want you guys to have to like post your addresses publicly online. That's just not something I want you to do. So it will be on Instagram. I'm sorry if you guys don't have an Instagram. I don't know. I'm sorry. So how to enter: go to Instagram, make sure you're following me. That is always a rule because that's like how you contact the people. Like you have to follow them. And I've literally like people have won giveaways of mine that are not following me, and I'm like, okay, well, I'm gonna pick someone else because that was a rule. So follow me on Instagram and then go to this post right here, give it a like, and then comment literally anything. If you've already liked it and commented, just leave a new comment as many times as you like. It's not one of those where like you need to tag a friend. You don't have to do that. You could literally like say hi. You could tell me your favorite breed of dogs or like what you had for lunch or just like anything you want. Tell me your favorite Taylor Swift song. Whatever your heart desires, as long as it's appropriate. Comment whatever you like. This video will end a week from the day this video is being posted, which let me get my phone to clarify. Where's my phone? Okay. I found it. So this video is going up Friday, September 23rd. This giveaway will end Friday, September 30th. And then how I will contact you is I will contact you through DMs. Make sure that it is my account. Like literally tap on the account and make sure that it is me. Make sure that it is like a person with like the amount of followers that I have, that has like the amount of posts. Make sure like all the posts are like, okay, like this is clearly not an account that was just made last week where someone is like trying to impersonate me. I will not make you guys give me any of your personal information other than your home address, and I will ask for your home address. I'm not gonna ask for your credit card information, your social security number. Please do not get scammed. So if you get a DM from someone saying you won, make sure it's me. Okay, I just really don't want you guys to get scammed. But that is the giveaway. I hope that you guys like these prizes. I'm really excited for whoever wins. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you guys want me to do random giveaways at the end of all the videos to say thank you for watching the whole thing. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.